Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to give you an RV park review. This place that we're staying at here for the summer. I'm sorry, summer? No. Summer, way too hot. It's in Arizona. Summers are like 120. No, so this is the winter here at Sunset Palm RV Park and Resort. It is here at here in Yuma, Arizona. There's a whole lot of parks here in Yuma. Let me tell you, there's a whole bunch of them. I won't run you through this park here, tell you a little bit about it, show you some things and some of the things we liked and disliked about this park. So come along with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. One of the great things about this park and our neighbor parks is you can see the asphalt is in really good shape right in here. Yes, my pointer. You know what that is, don't you? Yeah. And all the sites. Actually, I just saw a site to show you what they look like. Almost every site here looks exactly like this. The only difference is some have sheds. Those sheds are normally owned by the people that are staying there because they have annual sites, but they look like this. So you've got a pad here, and you would back in on this side. You would back in on this side. Just let me think. Yeah, no, you would back. Sorry about that. You would back in on this side, and right here's all your. Back on this side, right here's all your hookups. They do tend to rake it. Again, you don't see any grass, no trees. There are some palm trees up at the very front, but you got your sewer, which is right there. You see your sewer, and you got the water spigot here, which is good. And they got a cable hookup here, but the cable hookup that you see here isn't. You can get internet service, but you can't get cable service here. So that's a little bit of a drawback. All your hookups here, like this one here, are going to be 30 and 50 amp. So it's pretty standard what you would see in most. I don't know if that 30 amp controls anyway, but they work pretty good. You don't see any that are here leaning over. I don't see any that are damaged. They're all on concrete pads here, so it's definitely well maintained. They got work campers actually live on property that are the maintenance people, or should I say the majority of them are. I think there's 2 that are full-time here on property, and 2 include the cleaning people. And to me, that's a huge advantage when you have people that live on property are the ones that are maintaining it. You just have a little bit more access to them. Some people, companies will get parties from outside of the park and to come in, or they'll contract them. This is their full-time job, and they just basically come here and work a day and punch a clock. But I really like having the fact that you've got people on property here that are in maintenance and the front desk that actually live on property. I think it's a huge advantage. Now, also in this park, there are a few park models. In fact, here's one right here. They're all in really good repair. There's they do try to, this is technically a 55 and over park is what it is, so you don't have a lot of screaming kids and stuff like that. I do wish they had a pool. Outside of that, I like the park okay. Now right now we're out here right next to the road, which is where I just did the opening video, but we have this area here, which is a dog park and a pickleball court. They do, yeah, it's noisy. They do share these with the park next door, which is Adobe. Both parks are about 120 sites, so they're not huge at all. But you can see the dog park's really well maintained, not a lot of grass. They do have a wash station, so you can wash your dog there if you like. Please clean up after yourself. But some people will drive their cars through here to go between, because over there they've got a pool, but we kind of got a horseshoes and another nice area. So this is their pickleball court. Yes, they have pickleball. I will tell you this is one of the nicest pickleball courts in the country. I'm telling you, it really is. A lot of times you get a pickleball court, you're on a tennis court or something like that, but this is the fences are just far enough back. The court's in excellent condition. Water doesn't pool like we ever get any rain here. I think it's rained twice since we've been here for 3 months, but it's definitely regulation size pickleball court, and it's really nice. And I really like these, you see these screens, you can barely see images through them, but you can't really see people. I really like these. They do a good job They do a really good job of blocking the wind, so you don't get gusts of wind coming through here. You still get some over the top, but it's a really nice court. Applaud them for having such a very nice court. And this is the dining hall slash activity center. Yeah, it's not very big. They do have a stage up here. We have bands here at least once a week. Maybe do karaoke. They got a sound room right back there. Speaker system, as you can see in the top corner. Got those over there. This is actually a good sized TV. We actually did a UFC fight here. And also the Mike Tyson fight was going on here. They'll decorate this room up. I do sell ice on the honor system. And they got a decent sized kitchen. Not huge, but definitely does what we need here. Well, again, we've only got 120 sites here, so it does exactly what we need it to do. And this is the nice courtyard they have out here. Good size. Sometimes we have outside music in this area. I say we because, well, I'm here full time. They got the horseshoe pit there, and I may show you a picture of that, and also shuffleboard there. Make sure you picture that. So watch those pictures at the end. You can see what those look like. Like some bees are going in that. They actually do recycling of cans. And then over here you can see they have bulletin boards of all the activities that are going on here and some around the city. There's also bulletin boards down that way too, and also a mail room. Let me go to that. And this would be the mail room. So each and every spot's got their own slot, and you can get mail sent straight here, no additional fee or anything. Of course, they got one of these with all those things to do in the area. You can zoom in on that, and of course, cards are RV repair technicians and those things. So let me see if I got any mail. No, I don't. It's empty. Yay! And if you got bigger boxes, they'll put stuff like this inside of your box, so you know that you've got one sitting on the shelf. They try to put your site number. A lot of them don't have their site numbers right here on the side. So, and that of course is for mail going. So you want to send mail out, you can. Here in the pool room, they got 2 pool tables. They're in decent condition. No lights over top except for the ones on the ceiling. No hanging lights that you would see. They play bingo in here. Actually, they play bingo next door. They play card bingo at this location. Got a little library with movies and games and puzzles, and people actually do come in here and do the puzzles. As you can see, we've got 4 set out now, so different people are working on those. But it's a nice room. They definitely play cards in here 4 times a week. Seems like we come in here and play cards. And of course, more bulletin boards up there. And this TV does work. So sometimes when I'm in here playing a bingo or something, I'll turn the TV on, turn the video audio all the way down, but be able to watch the game at the same time we're playing bingo. But the pool tables are in really good condition, not excellent condition. They are kind of wobbly at one side. They don't wobble, but they kind of got a warp on the board itself. So they're not high-end tables, but they're decent tables, and I play them, no problem at all. So we have truly enjoyed ourselves here at this park. Don't have a problem coming back to this park. Rates are relatively cheap. Everyone here is extremely nice. I haven't run into anybody with any kind of attitudes or anything. You're going to have some of that once you get 80 people together doing anything. But they've got a Christmas party, Thanksgiving party. We just had a New Year's party here, so there's lots of that potlucks, and we've got a soup social coming up next Friday. They do a burger bash every other Thursday. Every other Tuesday they have a Taco Tuesday, so it's always good activities there. Of course, I'm the activities coordinator here, so I make sure those things happen when I'm here. I really enjoyed this park. I have no problem at all coming back here. If I'm ever in the Yuma area, no problem staying at this park, or their sister park Adobe, or their other sister park, which is that way, which is Sun Ridge, which I'll be doing a video here real soon. Be checking those out. They're a lot like this park, a lot of same shaped buildings and everything. But we'll go check out those parks too. Let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm gonna get back out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.